What's the meaning of bylaw? Bylaw. Bylaw.
Bylaw. Bylaw. Bylaw refers to a law or regulation made by a local authority for the government of a particular area, which is subordinate to but supplementary to a higher law. It is usually applied to laws of a relatively minor nature, such as those governing the use of public spaces or regulating the behavior of individuals within a specific community. These laws are often designed to address local issues and concerns, and to ensure that activities within a particular area are conducted in an orderly and safe manner. Bylaws are enforced by local authorities and may be subject to penalties for non-compliance.